Hi, I'm you guys leader Shin Min-ho.
Elisa.
I want to talk to you about my favorite thing. It's basketball. When I play basketball, I feel like I'm in the heaven. My favorite basketball stars are Kobe Bryant and Michael Jordan. They are all famous players in the whole NBA. NBA is an American basketball league. I always try too hard to be similar to them. My shooting form is like Kobe and my jump is like Jordan. In fact,
판타지가 돼?
in fact, I know almost everything in NBA. I think Jordan played better than Kobe. Unfortunately, Jordan retired 4 years ago. His team was Chicago Bulls and Kobe's team is LA Lakers. Kobe is also a great player. Kobe is often called by the best NBA franchise star. I hope to be like him. I'll make our class to win in the fall basketball I will make our class to win in the fall basketball challenge. Thank you for listening, and please behave while I respect you to do something. I love Elisa.